fifth element of art, and it's referring to digital art. Everything we do is digital, so we're talking about digital photography, we're talking about digital graphic design, digital filmmaking, digital audio production, web design. Any way you can express your creativity in a digital format. We teach students how to turn their creativity into a career.
I really like the creative freedom that you get with this program. You get to come up with your own ideas, plan out your own storyboards, just like make your own ideas come to life.
Definitely the 6-shot sequences. Those are the most fun. You get complete creative freedom as long as it's school appropriate, and you get to make it about whatever you want.
My favorite thing we've done in the media program is probably all the group work that we do. Everything from when we do our newscast in the Compass to like the 6-shot sequences, our short films. It's just really fun getting to work with people and share ideas and bring stories to life.
My favorite projects have definitely been just like the stuff that we did last year. In my beginning class, it was like we used a lot of Photoshop and we did some projects on there. I really enjoyed doing the Compass with the junior class.
I've learned a lot about making shots and how exactly you make them look good, expressing yourself creatively especially, and you also get to become more proficient in technical skills like Adobe programs and stuff like that. So and you use that pretty much every day in this class, and for the most part you will use it outside of school as well. You definitely need to remember to take notes. It's an incredibly important thing in always remembering to study, because even if you're good at it, memorizing it, as much as that sucks, you do need to get that down pat.
Well, whenever I was a sophomore, I didn't expect how much work it was going to be and how that it was going to take up more time than you would think it would.
We provide real training on professional grade equipment. We've got one of the best equipped studios in the state. The next thing we do is we teach you the full Adobe Creative Suite. So we teach you Photoshop, we teach you Illustrator, InDesign, Premiere Pro, After Effects, the professional programs that actual creatives use to make a lot of the content you see. We also offer dual credit classes through Somerset Community College, where our students can take college classes and high school classes at the same time, and it counts for both. So we can get you anywhere from 12 to potentially up to 18 hours of dual credit. There is high demand jobs in graphic design, photography, video production. So we try to teach our students how to take their digital creativity skills and then use that to actually earn a living wage.